Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo V40. It's launched on June 2024. The Vivo V40 height 6.46 inch, width 2.95, thickness 7.6 mm, the weight is 190 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo V40. It's come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.1% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1260 by 2800 means 1.5K and the PPI density is 453. The refresh rate of Vivo V40, it's come with 120Hz with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. The platform of Vivo 40, it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A715. The GPU is Adreno 720 and the memory of Vivo V40, it's come with 12 and 8 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. It's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The front selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video too. The battery backup of Vivo V40, it's come with 5500 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it supports reverse wire charging. The common and the features Vivo V40 come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP68 dust and water resistant and infrared port too. The Vivo V40 price is $400.